spin the block on Montrose. Shout out to Connor Burton with the Buy Me a Coffee donation request. So we got Bad Motor Scooter. For those of you who are on the live stream, I understand, but we got to do the right one. So we got Bad Motor Scooter, and let's check this out. Oh yeah, this sounds way better.
If you get lonely on your daddy's farm, just remember I don't live too far. And there's a red bridge in Oxford Bay. Yes, you'll be in my place in less than a day. So get on your bed, motor scooter, and ride. Up over to my place and stay all night. Yeah. The first thing in the morning we'll be feeling alright, 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 alright. Get on your bed, motor scooter, and ride. Ooh, the last time I seen your face, swore that no one would take your place.
That sounds so good. Oh man, that sounds so much better. That sounds so much better. Appreciate you, Connor, for handing me that link. The first time we reacted to this on this, the volume was a little bit low, so you didn't get the quality reaction you deserve. But I did snap on they clothes a little bit. But yeah, man, I like the way this sound, man. I like how some of the sounds are going back and forth in the headphones, man, kind of giving that music that movement, Sammy's voice ain't changed in 50 years, man, based on what I'm hearing. His voice is the same, just as strong, just as consistent, all right?
Swore that no one would take your place.
I mean, even from the time this was sung all the way through the Van Halen years, it stayed the same. Those guitar riffs sound a lot more grittier. This I don't know, it almost sounds like a zipper or something. How you get that sound? It almost sounds like a bee buzzing around you a little bit. It always hearing those riffs like that always kind of remind me of like a I don't know, I keep saying garage band, but I know it's a term that I'm missing. Woo! Oh yeah, this true rock and roll right here. I like how the guitar say bad motor scooter too. Listen to that. Listen. That's what I'm talking about right there. I like that. That's cool. It's ending the way it started off. I thought that was dope. Yeah, hearing it in with better quality audio as intended feels so much better. You know what I'm saying? These songs are classics in themselves and they deserve to be treated as such. So shout out to Connor Burton for this one. Definitely appreciate you, bro, for hitting me with the Buy Me a Coffee donation request. And the rest of you, if you want to do the same, wait till the cards come up, or you can go in the links in the description. It's always a 3 coffee minimum. And I'll catch you guys at another one, all right?